One is the homeowner, property owners. The other one is the builders. Now this, remember, there are thousands of softwares available in the market for big construction companies. But the number of construction companies in this country is like less than a couple of thousands. Now we are talking about the builders where the team size is under 10 people. And they do not have time, they do not have back office, they do not have people. What they do is that they do all the calculation, working. So what we try to do is that we have tried to provide solution or hit all the pain points. Like pain points are like material calculation, procurement, calculation, finding the right prices from the market, getting the right supplier, and then taking the pictures, quotation, invoicing, everything end to end, and including providing new leads to the builders. So I'm going to show you all that. Okay, and how much time we got?
10 minutes.
10 minutes. Okay, I'll inshallah try to fit that. So I won't go in much detail.
Where?
Now what I've done is that through this screen, I've created the complete life cycle of a builder. Start from material calculation, supplier, customer quotation, budgeting, creating invoices, scanning invoices, and so on. So let me just quickly show you how does it work and how quick it is. So I'm just creating a project here.
I heard you took my advice last time.
You'll see.
Yeah? It did help?
Oh,
It was good, was it?
It's really
This help.
it does help. It bring up a lot of confidence and
Isn't
Okay.
it?
I've tried to create this calculator as simple as that. Even a homeowner, anybody, nobody, you do not need any technical knowledge other than you just have to choose area, what the kind of property is, and what the size of extension. Suppose I want to build 6-meter extension by 6-meter width, and the height I want to say 3 meter. And as simple as that, you want to, and in that extension, if you want to include kitchen, include bathroom, so accordingly it will lay the waste piping and all that.
Very good.
Now here you go. The complete material list is ready, okay, with the quotation. It takes that much time. Now what I'm showing you is here. Now here is complete material list, and this material list is based on the building stages from foundation to walls,
Show me
manholes.
the foundation, please. How deep the foundation is going? Show
Sorry?
me the foundation, please. Go up.
Yeah. Sorry, Ijaz, what's your question?
No, but you said you calculated material for the foundation as well.
Yeah.
So where's where I can see a lot of piping things there and the
Sand,
shingle there.
okay, I'll
Just
show
go
you.
back for that. Foundation there, yeah.
Yeah. Foundation comes after, manhole, soak away, all
Yeah,
that.
yeah, that's fine.
Okay. So these are the material for the foundations. Then ground floor build, superstructure, that is wall, roof
So you
structure.
calculate also the block as well.
Sorry.
How many blocks I would need?
Everything. You can see roof covering, plastering, dry lining, roof elements, everything. Okay. And this is just not, if somebody says, what is the confidence on this, on the materials being used, everything is as per the UK building regulations. You see the report and it covers exactly what material, what building regulation it follows, BS and all that standard. You can have a look, and everything, whatever has been calculated as per the building control.
I can see C24, C16 as well, which is good.
So what's the margin for error on it? So what's the you said confidence? How far out is it? Is it plus 10%? Plus what's the?
The thing
how
is
much
that,
slack?
you know, it is like we've tested in some pilot projects and we are like 95%. See, what happens in the building industry is very unregulated.
Yeah.
Every builder has a different style. They cut corners, very few builders. What we have done is that we followed exactly the process, what the building regulation says, what material to use, how much gaps to leave, what it should be the insulation and so on.
So we did use a few of the people who are building extensions and we asked them to use it. So it's about 96-97% accuracy.
Or you also comparing against the standard of NHBC as well. Because NHBC standards are much higher than local authority.
Yes.
You know. So you also comparing with them as well.
No.
Because showing the regulation status, showing NHBC their standards.
Yeah.
What that mean? You got tick marks.
Yeah.
Yeah, if we have, then we have just followed all that. Because again, we run all the material against, regulation engine just to make sure what we are quoting or supplying the material in the BOM covers those aspects.
Yeah, because, for example, somebody building a new build,
Yeah.
what about the extension? I'm building a new house,
Yeah.
right? And needs to be approved by the NHBC.
Yes.
I'm a builder, I've never
Yeah.
been with NHBC before, right? I need to start doing some business with them to make sure that I meet the standards required of NHBC. So your material will be in line because their standards are much more
Yes.
higher.
Yes.
And the regular local authority there, they don't
Yeah.
give a crap basically. They just show up their
That's
face,
correct.
okay, tick box, done. With NHBC will be different because they don't want to pay out any insurance in the future,
Of course, yes.
right? So is this your list is with the comparable with the NHBC?
Yes, at the moment it does a soft check for an NPC. Mostly it is for building control because it was small projects. Okay, but I can add that and make sure that it also certifies that. It's not because all the verification that is done is for the building reg is solid. It's 100%. I can assure you it is like. But NSBC, yes, I've just done a soft check. Just go through for the building exchange.
Because I'm looking actually for you have got a billion software if it does work. What I'm looking actually for you is if you connect with this NSBCC their guidelines and what their requirement is. So many of the builders actually spending a lot of time and money
Yeah.
in doing the BOQ.
That's the plan.
Right?
too.
Yes.
The first
And
stage
if you
we-
can do that,
Yeah.
many builders actually, those who have been building 5 houses, 3 houses, 10 flats here and there,
Got it.
they're putting the tender in, and then try to work out the return on their investment or whatever. Probably if you compare that, because clients wants to have a 10 years warranty,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah, at this stage we made sure we follow the build regulation fully, and then I think some of them, as Musa said, it shows from the other standards.
For a small project is okay.
Yes.
I'm looking at the
Bigger
whole
project is-
big project.
It just short down the process time.
Yeah.
Okay.
Instead of me hiring someone, because
Yeah.
they cost money.
Yeah.
The people who prepare your quotations,
Yes.
they cost money, they require a lot of money actually.
Yes. This can be
Anyway.
this.
Okay. Now this is where you will get. Okay. We not only just calculate the BOM. Okay. We also give you the market prices. Yes, the prices are currently not live, but inshallah very soon we'll have all the live prices. But what it does is that from all the major nationalized suppliers, it finds exactly the bill material and finds how much product who has and what is the prices, and you can compare. So this is all the suppliers, and it has been
Oh, you got it, yeah?
yes, was sorted. Okay.
So last time I gave them the feedback actually when they were showing the pricing comparison actually. So before somebody has to go and check how much discount I'll be getting from this. So what I suggested to them actually, go at the back end when you're creating the account, you have all the suppliers actually on your list, and whatever the discount you set up with them. For example, you got with the Lord's Builder, you got 10% off. Then your B&Q, you got 5% for example off. Juicen, you got 15% off, right? Or Selco, you got 20% off, for example. But before, it was not doing that. Before it was doing, you have to go and check it, how much discount you're getting. Now they set at the back end. So whatever the market price that now you're seeing on the screen is after the discount one. So they're seeing those prices there, plus they're seeing what actually maybe all those 4 builders still expensive, and they can still find cheaper than them. Does that make sense?
No, thank you. That was a brilliant idea. I had thought about it, but I was like stuck. How would a builder? How would we get access to the Selco or Wix and find out what is the rate discount?
Why do you have
available
to,
for
when
the
they're
builder?
setting up their profile,
But-
they're setting up themselves.
Exactly, that's what your idea. Here it is on the account profile.
Yeah, here you go.
He will go and enter manually because every builder know how much discount he's getting from it. So that made my life easy. So I created this on the builder profile. He can go and see this is the profile for a builder. Okay, and I added that. And now what you see, the calculation basically is, this is the normal price and this is what the builder would get after adjusting his trade discount.
You know what also I'll suggest to you? The people they have set the margin there, the things, list all of them.
Yeah.
Underneath, at the moment it's showing 3811 for example. So you know when you go onto Google shopping things,
Yeah.
and you clearly see the list of people. So this is what you're getting, 3811 you're getting from GSM, 387 you're getting from Lords, MP Moran, whatever the builder profile you have there, put it, right? So for example, this is the total price from you buying from where you have no discount, and these are the people actually offering you. So what they can do actually, when they look at the screen, they can go to their builder.
Yeah.
Look, this is what I'm getting from this man, come and give me a better discount. Right? You can still negotiate the discount with them, you know. So if you list those, for example, 5 profiles, their pricing here as well, probably make their life much more easier rather than them at the moment is showing the discounted price. But they can actually also see what they're getting actually from all these builders.
Different builders.
The comparison there and there. Yeah.
Okay, I have a comparison on the item wise. I guess you meant this way. Okay, just to add here, this is the item wise. Every particular item was the best price and the highest price. And then you wanted exactly as well the trader's price, discounted
See,
price.
no, I don't have to go to the less click is better.
Sure.
Yeah.
Yeah. You can see on the screen there and then, and you can make your mind up.
Yeah.
Can it optimize between all the different suppliers? So if you've got the best price per individual line item, if you were to click something that optimizes so it shows
Yeah,
if you've
it's
got
already here.
It already
It does.
yeah.
Okay.
It does give you the best quotation.
And the mix
Okay.
of
Yeah, you
the
see-
from different.
The mix of supply.
Okay, here you say the mix supply. What it does is that it cherry picks all the lowest price and build this quotation. And here it will like say B&Q has this lowest prices. Okay, and then Selco has this many items which has got all the lowest prices. So all the cherry picking items, and it will create one quotation.
Yeah.
Then say for example, you want to buy directly, you can directly buy from that supplier.
Is your revenue model based on only charging the builders or charging these suppliers as well?
For now, it will be only for the builders.
You should be, if you're recommending suppliers on here.
We will.
I know that is eventually the idea, but the thing is that now without without any builders, I
Of
mean,
course.
the idea is basically
Yeah.
when we go to the supplier, we say, look, you're getting builders here and there. And few items here and there. What we're gonna do is that from our platform, you will get the complete building, all prepared, all listed. Just look at the next step,
Yeah.
what it will do. Like this is, when the builder clicks on it, what it does is, now it takes you exactly the entire basket for that particular supplier. And all the material and the quantity, everything added. Yes, of course, for now, this is just a demonstration purpose, okay, because we need their API from every supplier
course, yeah.
for the
Yeah.
card integration.
Well, does that mean you're scraping everything for now?
Yes, for now.
Does
No,
the
this is just a
supplier,
demonstration page.
does the
Oh, so this
supplier
is-
always come through this website, your website?
Say again, please?
Yeah, this is
Do they
where
know
we need,
anything?
this is where we need to engage with the partnership with the suppliers.
Yeah, we need to integrate the
Yeah,
our
so,
API with
because
the-
if you're going to go to the
Yeah.
supplier at some point, they should know what, how much.
So
business
the
you're
idea
doing.
is for
Grab
that,
the stool from there.
we need enough builders on our platform, so when
No, I
we go
get
and
that,
talk,
I get
we
that.
go from that position.
So all of this stuff on there is a demo for now. It's not actually stuff on the platform, on the suppliers' sites, is it?
The basket bed is only the demonstration, but all the material, everything is from the supplier.
But we can't purchase right now.
Huh?
We can't purchase right now. It's not live.
No.
That's,
Yeah.
If you want
that's
to
what
buy
he's saying.
purchase, of course, we
Asking.
need, yeah.
Yeah,
But yes.
this is where we are actually. So once we build the list of builders and the traffic on the website,
Yeah.
so it's okay. We got this many builders.
You want another
using the
3 minutes,
product.
brother?
Okay.
And then we go for the partnership
show yours?
proposal with the suppliers.
So brother, so you said the addressable market, you said there's thousands of builders.
Yeah.
Yeah. What are you thinking about in terms of how much, how do you make money on it?
So that's a pricing model.
Roughly. So assume, I don't know the
Yeah.
numbers, but let's
Yeah.
say there's what, 2,000-3,000 small builders? I don't know that you're
See,
targeting.
total you will be surprised, that's what I was going to say. The big size is the normal 1,000, there are 1,000 construction
Yeah.
units. But the number of builders is 130,000 all over the country.
Yeah, I assume just more what
Yes.
you would target to begin
Yeah,
with,
so
the ones
our-
that actually pay
our-
tax and, you know.
And
it's smaller.
all is like, we want to capture the small builder market, where the team size is under 10 people. So, okay, next I want to show you quickly is that how simple and easy for a customer for a builder to create a quotation. Just he enters the name.
Just to emphasize, this is the first version of the product.
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
And then,
yeah.
the
Customer
more-
में मुझे बनाओगे,
the
आप मुझे
initial-
मिलवाइए, हैं,
initial
पहला।
10 builders
बना
start
लो, कोई
using
बात
it, we will get to know more
Okay.
problems and we
Yes.
refine this product.
Okay, now
And then it will become more mature.
No, I can see you want to then build the network effects
Yes,
and get more. I
absolutely.
understand that.
And then word
Yeah,
of mouth will
yeah,
Can you build
yeah.
my extension in Kingston and Chelsea, please? Nice bridge, yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, it's, not in Watford, man, come on. It should be in Kensington and Chelsea, but never mind, go ahead.
Okay, so here it is, it will automatically link up the project what you have done for the quotation. It will show all these suppliers, whichever you want to pick, okay. Also, suppose you don't like a builders have their own prices, they can also enter manual prices. Okay, fix amount, say 30,000, 50,000 from his guesswork. Now let's assume that, okay, he's picking that up, and then you go to labor and material, you just have to click, enter, add, keep on adding whatever items you want. And here we'll just enter the prices. Okay, now every builder gets the different suppliers and different tradesmen, they have their own prices, so he can update the prices whatever he's getting. Here he can set the margin he wants on the complete project. Here he can say, okay, on his markup on material is say 10%. So here it will just say create code.
By the way, where's your biggest source of leads for the builders? Where do you hope to find them?
We do have another one that's coming up. It's,
So, this
lead
is-
generation as well. So I'll let him finish. When we're done with it.
So this is quotation is ready. Okay, just your mark is accepted. Okay, builder accepts the code. And then after that, what he does is that he goes, he can download and have send it to his customer. Fully branded, fully whitelisted, his logo and everything.
Yeah.
Okay. Once that is done, he can create a budget. Budget